Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to use Trello. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to your Trello web portal by just searching in your web browser, search Trello, and the first thing that you will find is the Trello.com. You click on the first link, and now it will take you to the Trello application or web application. Then you will need just to connect to your account or just sign up if you don't already have an account, and then you will access your account. So basically, Trello is it's like similar to Notion. So it's a workspace organizing uh, application. So when you start it, you will find here some boards, and you will see here that there are some workspaces in the boards, and also you can have some templates. So as you can see now, you are going to find the boards and templates, and of course the boards are like just some to-do lists or reminders that you can add to your journey. So for example, here you will find to-do lists. Those are like the remaining or while still in doing, and those are like the finish task that you have added. And basically, you can add some lists to your boards and just to organize your work. So let's suppose that you have things to do. Let's suppose that you have task one. You are going to add this card. You can customize it, of course. You can edit labels, change its cover. You can make it have it some color so it can be more specific, or it can remind you of something. You can edit its dates. You can have multiple things that you can do to your labels, for example, or cards. And of course, you can add things, and then you can just change the members that can be assigned or see your cards, for example. Also, you can have multiple things that you can do here in your board. There are also the Trello templates that are some templates that can help you organize on your work. So for example, you have these business templates. So as you can see, those are some tracking templates. As you can see, it will track the grant funding of yours, and then you will just go into click use templates and click on it. So you give it your own title if you want. You assign it to a workspace that you have. So of course I have just one workspace. You either keep the cards that are contained in your templates, and then just create if you want. So basically I'm going to create this template, and as you can see, it will be added to my workspace, or it will be added to this workspace. And as you can see, those are all the lists that are in my templates. And of course you can add or edit. As you can see, you can edit all the information. As you can see, you edit this description, you can edit the name of this card, add some members to it so it can remind you. For example, it will be a task of a person or a member of your workspace. You can do multiple things that can help you organize in your work. So basically, as you can see, those are some images that are added. So you can add images to your card and listings here in Trello. So basically, that was an overview in how to use Trello. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.